Hello everybody and welcome to this 3doodler tutorial slash unboxing. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to operate the 3doodler, how to use it plastic strands, how to open it up properly in case plastic gets jammed inside, how to remove long strands of plastic, and how to remove short strands of plastic. So let's begin by opening it up. When you open it up, you're going to find the 3doodler itself, the plastic strands, which first is the ABS, and this requires the high temperature mode. PLA is the second kind of plastic, and it uses the low temperature mode. You'll have some manuals and the quick start guide. If you open it up, you're gonna find the power. This long strand in order to remove anything that gets stuck inside the 3doodler, and this to remove the nozzle, and this to help open up the 3doodler. So let's get started. To begin, choose one of the two kinds of plastics. In this case, I'm gonna pick the ABS, which is gonna require the high power mode. So after that, make sure to plug it in the plastic strand plug-in, not the electricity one. I kind of switched them the first time I did this, so be careful not to switch them up. Then you plug it all the way in until you hear the click, just like that. And then if you look to the side, some people ask, what is that? This is for additional plug-in that you can actually buy. It's the pedal, and it controls the speed. Instead of clicking those, it's by your feet. Next, we're going to have the off, low, high. So in this case, we're going to go for high. And these two buttons, this is the slow mode and the fast mode. And here, you're going to use this in case something gets jammed in. So you open that up and get the plastic out using the long strand over there. So next, we're going to plug it in, just like that, and turn it to high. You're going to see the red light, and you're going to wait about 30 to 40 seconds until it turns blue. You might notice that depending on what color you see here is the color that you would use for the plastic. If it's blue, you're going to use blue. If it's green, you're going to use green. And once it turns blue, you can actually start using it. You can either use some paper to draw on, but sometimes it gets stuck to it, so I wouldn't prefer using that. So I would just use a book cover or something that's not actually paper, and that way you can just use that safely and it's not going to get stuck on it. So, alright, so next. To remove a plastic strand that hasn't been used or melted inside, all you have to do is just take it out just like that. To remove a strand that has been used and it's melted inside, simply click on both buttons at the same time, and it's gonna start flashing. This means that the thing is going out. So once the plastic strand gets out all the way, you'll be able to hear it finishing it up. Then you can just simply get it out. In most times when you get it out, it's gonna be melted. So make sure that the end is cut off clean. If you want to remove a plastic strand that's too short, simply hold on two buttons and wait until it gets out of there. Then, after that, you're gonna take this and remove the nozzle, just like that. Come on. And once it's out, you're gonna take the long metal strand, and then you're going to insert it through the front while holding the two buttons here. So while holding it, you can just insert it just like that and push until you feel the bottom coming out, and that's the way you pull it out and you get it clean. Next, we're going to take a look at the part right here. You only open this if you can't get out the plastic using that. So, to do that, we're gonna take this piece that comes with the 3doodler and insert it from the left, from the bottom right here. Flip it up, and then from the left you can just push in and get it off. Then slide it off and take it part of that, and then you can see the 3doodler clearly, and you can use this to put it in and push it out if you can't do it from the top. And to put it back in, just put it the same way, and then put that in, and push it in, just like that. Next, we're gonna take a look on how we actually draw with this thing. So, once you plug this in, it's gonna turn red if you don't use it for like 5 minutes. So to do that, just turn it off and on, and it's gonna heat up again and turn blue. Once it turns blue, you can hold and click and keep hold on this. I'm gonna use the fast button, not the slow one. I just prefer that. And you're gonna wait about 20 seconds or so. And you can also double click and keep it going constantly without keep on hold on it. In order to draw something that's gonna go up, first make sure that you actually attach it to the base of the paper. And once you do that, you can easily go up pretty long, and then you let go and it stays up because it's actually gets cold and dries off. So to make a cube, it's pretty simple. You first do the first line at the bottom, just like that. Then you drag it up, let go of the button, then you go from the bottom again and you attach it to it. Pretty simple. You let go of the button, then you go up, and once it cools off, it stays up. It's not a perfect cube right here, but you can see how it goes like that. And to attach the two things here, all you have to do is just drag it and drop it on the second one, wait for it to cool off, let go, and you got the first side of the cube. So that's pretty easy and simple. There you go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe for more future tutorials, and I'll see you next time.